So, kanang muto juga ng the ball is round. Ligon kayo ng SJR. I know they have their defense. Their attack was very good. Hard. Mas hard pa sa amoa.
When you are trailing at the last set, final set, kung sa mga instruction ni mo sa inyo?
Mine was sud lang ang service, defense, more on defense, on blocking and in-floor defense. Kay at least okay na ang spiker, okay na. Pero ang ako yung kuan gyud, ang amo yung quick, the center. Mo manggi among mura bitaw secret weapon. Mo gito sige na kog push nga if as much as possible nindot amo receive so that the quicker could quick. So maglisod gud sila depensa.
Si Galinato sa katapusan nga kuan iya ta ng mga
Yes. Buti na lang.
instruction ni mo nga pwede mo.
Basta ang ako lang instruction ni Angel Galinato was to jump away from the net, di lang paduol kay kung duol sa net good ma-under na ka, kuha na ka kanang di na ka kibawasan nimo ihatag ang bola ba. So the instruction was there, at least iyang gi-follow, so namuntos gid siya.
So, you mean to say nga siya may first option?
Yes, actually, ang amo, as I have said, mo na among secret weapon gyud ang among quick. So that basta nindot ang receive, siya na bahala.
So, first time nga back-to-back champion mo?
First time, yes.
The history of
San Carlos, I don't know before. Murag wala man siguro. I don't know. Gawa siguro atong among time kay sila may mo champion. Ya sa Western man ko sa una. Magbalis-banos ni sa Western, San Carlos at Western. Ito sa una, on our time. I don't know.
Sa Safi.
Asa si Safi kitwa pa. Yes, sir.
Ano ba yung naka-back-to-back champion sa Safi?
Back to back. So, wala man siguro. I don't know with USJR. Wala man siguro, sir. Murag, mabawi man.
Coach, how special is this para din mo considering the building nila for Bilig?
Yes, sa Bilig. Imagine, straight me sa Bilig. 3-0 on the championship. So, amog yung gitanaw gyud nga as much as possible kung unsa ilang weakness. Kay kita sila sa among weakness kanang center po kanabitang faint ball, drop ball. So at least ngayon karon amo nang na-recover, at least nabawi na mo. Yeah, o dako kay na gyud scouting.
Pila ka players in ang final year?
Si Galinato ra and Amay Libero. Hopefully.
So,
Graduating na sila.
Sunod din ito.
After this, we will be representing region Cebu for regional Prisaa. Then after, kung modaog ta sa regional, we will go national.
Coach, na kayo message sa mga supporters ninyo sa pag-
Yes. Thank you very much for all the supporters, for the USC supporters. Vamos San Carlos. And thank you for my family. Almost everybody is here. Kay Father Ocarisa, and most especially to the F2 family. Sir Efren Uy. Very supportive. Grabe. Munang, I've always motivated my players. We have to practice. Kay ang support sa school o sa F2 was very overwhelming. Yun. Grabe.
Kung nabiyaan mo, coach, na